This explains the process of creating a new company in the system by importing the details from the Conso file. Click on Masters. Click on Company. Click on Add. The screen to enter the details of the company will get displayed. Since the details have to be imported through a Conso file, click on Import from Conso file. Select the Conso file to be imported. And click on Import. Click on Yes. The company details will get displayed on the screen. Ensure that the data imported is correct. Make changes, if any. Once done, click on Save. Click on OK. Click on Exit. Thanks for your time. Hope you found it useful.